Hi everyone, this is Mani Kumar Reddy Gurram Chartered Accountant. Welcome to our new video on income taxes. In this video, I am going to explain you about the importance of AIS, Annual Information Statement. So, what are all the transactions, incomes reported in the Annual Information Statement? How to ensure that your income tax return filed is accurate and includes all transactions and details available with the Income Tax Department. Income Tax Department tracks all your major activities and major financial transactions through Annual Information Statement. Annual Information Statement contains your transactions that are reported to Income Tax Department from various sources like banks and financial institutions, your employers and other entities notified by Income Tax Department. So while filing, it is important to check the Annual Information Statement and make sure that whatever the data reflecting in Annual Information Statement related to incomes or other reportable transactions to be included in income tax return filed by you. If there is any mismatch between AIS and income tax return filed by, system will automatically send you an intimation or notice to revise your ITR, or sometimes you may get a defective notice written that you have not disclosed the incomes and transactions that need to be disclosed in the income tax return. Previously we used to have 26 AS, still as now also we have 26 AS, but 26 AS is now only confined to TDS and TCS transactions. All other reportable transactions and all other information is now reflecting, and you can access it through AIS Annual Information Statement from your income tax portal. For simple understanding, the information that is reported in AIS can be divided into four parts, that is TDS and TCS related transactions, specified financial transactions, payment of taxes and other information. So what are all the transactions related to TDS and TCS that get reflected in your AIS? Transactions and information related to your salary payments, information related to interest income from banks and financial institutions, dividend income, rental income, lottery and winnings, sale of property and assets. Coming to the second part, what are specified financial transactions? Specified financial transactions are the transactions that are notified by the income tax department that needs to be reported by the finance institutions like banks and other entities notified by the income tax department if they exceed certain limits, such as cash deposits exceeding 10 lakhs in savings bank account, 50 lakhs in current account, fixed deposits, time deposit, recurring deposits above 10 lakhs gets reported. Credit card payments made in cash above 1 lakh and credit card payments made in any other mode other than cash above 10 lakhs, purchase of securities and mutual funds, sale or purchase of house property, cash receipts and sale of goods above 2 lakhs. So foreign currency remittance, buyback of shares above 10 lakhs by companies. Coming to the next part, payment of taxes. Whatever the taxes you pay, advance tax, self-assessment tax, refunds and interest gets reflected in AIS. Coming to next part, other information like purchase and sale of listed securities, dividend reinvestments by mutual funds, income tax refunds, feedback mechanism introduced in Annual Information Statement. The transactions as we discussed about TDS and TCS related, specified financial transactions, payment of taxes or any other information that gets reflected on your PAN, which you feel that are not done by you or not affected by you, you will get the option to reject those transactions by providing a valid reason so that those transactions get eliminated from your AIS. Income tax department cross verifies those transactions which are rejected by you with the sources by which those transactions are reported on your PAN number. This is all about Annual Information Statement, and we need to make sure that while filing income tax return that all the transactions and incomes reported in the Annual Information Statement should match with the data in income tax return. Otherwise there is a chance that you may get a notice for mismatch between data available with income tax department and income tax return you have filed. This is all about Annual Information Statement. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. For any further consultancy, please reach out us on the mobile number mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching the video.